The nature endowed the territory of Tajikistan with a surprising variety. Natural landscapes, from deserts and semi-deserts to snow tops of the highest mountains. According to landscapes, Tajikistan differs also in biodiversity. The nature of Romit is so amazing that again and again attracts to itself those who at least once have been at this heavenly spot of Asia. At the sight of the mountainous tops covered with fragrant flowers and waterfalls, you forget about fatigue and illnesses. The atmosphere of the primitive nature, fresh air, and pure murmur calms and makes a medical impact. In only 65 to 70 kilometers from stuffy Dushanbe, there is a wonderful place of absolutely another era, with unusually strong aura. Of course, on the way to Romit, you can sweat as it is necessary to go on the bad roads, which for a long time weren't repaired. But Romit is worth to be a patient a little bit. The Wildlife Reserve Biosphere of Romit is located in quite picturesque place, Romit Gorge, and is a distance of more than 60 kilometers from Dushanbe city, the capital of Tajikistan. This mountainous landscape of Wildlife Reserve is the protected natural zone of the Republic of Tajikistan. The reserve was created under the resolution of the government of the Republic of Tajikistan in 1959. A main goal of creation of the Wildlife Reserve was preservation of the available natural objects, restriction of anthropogenous influence, and carrying out the actions directed on the restoration of the natural objects broken by negative impact. The total area of the Wildlife Reserve is 16,100 hectares. Biosphere of Romit is the mountainous landscape Wildlife Reserve. Romit can brag of a rich variety of representatives of plant and animal life. The purpose of the organization of the Wildlife Reserve consists in studying and preservation of the representatives of fauna and flora included in the Red List, in particular Tanshan brown bear, snow leopard, an otter, porcupine, golden eagle, and also many species of plants. On the administrative division, the so-called Triangle of Treasures with canyon gorge of Ushrut and Vashrut belongs to the Wahdat area. Biosphere of Romit has a wide direction and is the highest mountain barrier. The territory of the Wildlife Reserve is generally located in the field of average mountains. Within highlands is its northern part. Its highest mark is 3,195 meters over sea level of Popok Peak, and low mountains, the southern part of the Wildlife Reserve is on 1,176 meters over the level of sea. Having gone down from the mountainous snow tops in the gorge on Sardai Milna, close to the village of Guskev, before your eyes opens the canyon Rock of Akbar. On both sides from it, at once open two panoramas. The mountain gorge of Arkhus with the groves and Dashti Mazor. Here is heard a cheerful twitter of birds. Air is impregnated with archy smells. Contrast with the recent glacial zone create excellent mood and for a long time remain for memories. Below on the right side, as the Dairy stream falls, water falls from Kaysar waterfall. Here before you, there is a fine snow-white landscape. During the day, here the sunshine gets only for a couple of hours. There is a blow of always cool, refreshing breeze. Here it is possible to put up a tent. And in the settlement of Vistan, it is possible to taste local fermented milk products, Dour and Girod. And examine traditional national crafts, production of wooden ware, household utensils, and the elementary instruments of labor. By the way, it is possible to pick up something for yourself if you agree about the price. There is also one other site, the old mosque constructed in the 18th, 19th century. And the special pleasure will be brought by fishing. The trout, Schizothorax, and Turkestanian sams is found in the local waters. The main sites of this district are beautiful, and various landscapes, and also the remains of ancient structures, the village of Hushon and fortress Hisorak around the Kohu village. The archaeological materials found at the excavation of the fortress Hisorak specify that this construction was built in the 10th, 12th centuries. The melting furnaces and iron products found in the territory of the village testify that inhabitants of the fortress, except defensive functions, carried out also other economic productions on ensuring its activity. From the ancient fortress Khalai Hisorak opens a very beautiful view of the canyon.
I'm in Tajikistan to travel in bicycle. We cross ASEAN since Istanbul, Turkey to China, and we are in Tajikistan for 1 month. It's a natural reserve and it's look very, very beautiful. So it's 30 kilometers road between beautiful mountain and river, and the road is beautiful and we can do it in bicycle. There's many spots to do camping, and the people here are so lovely. They gave us bread and they gave us time to speak and explain everything. So thank you, Tajikistan.
It is worth to visit Romit, which is a natural wildlife reserve, where it has protected many representatives of local flora. Romit is simply a paradise for archaeologists. Here, new parking and sanctuaries continue to be open. Besides, it is possible to look at the stone monuments, reminding giant statues, Groom and Bride, Cave Khuja, Chil Dukhtaron or 40 Girls, and others. One more site of Romit vicinities is well-known Yavros. Visiting this heavenly spot, for certain, will favorably be reflected in your physical form, as footwalks on Romit and excursions are continuous rises and descents on inclined surfaces. During the excursion course, it is possible to take pleasure in tasty natural mountainous honey, a curative property of which are known for a long time. Romit always was interesting for both tourists and people, simply to having a rest. In the 70s of the last century, Romit was visited by the French president Giscard d'Estaing. Here for 3 days, enjoyed local beauty and watched the Tianshine brown bear. And in 1995-1996, the Ambassador of America, A. Scudero, and the United States Secretary of State, James Baker, had a rest here. In the coast of Kofarnion, on the foot of the mountains, falls in love anyone who has entered to this land, and it is easily explainable. The picturesque Romit Valley, with its villages Borimiri, Hushon, Kochu, Novaki Poyon, Novaki Bolo, Dashti Mazor, Vistan, Guskev, and Pchev in one gorge, and Stoni, Depir, Tavishi Bolo, Tavishi Poyon, Langar, Yafrak in the other. The houses of each residence of these villages are always open for tourists. It is possible to freely order any room, eat well, and for one, get acquainted with traditions of hospitable inhabitants. For fans of riding, it is possible to order a burro or a horse with the guide or without, for a reasonable price. The choice is yours. In the settlement of Langar, it is possible to be photographed with old plane tree, which is more than 2,000 years old. To look, Gori Khuja. Romit is surrounded with mountains from all directions, so here ancient customs and cultures are well remained, and reliable security from the cold winds of the north makes this region amazing for vacation and tourism. Wildlife Reserve of Romit is located on the southern slope of the Hisor Mountains, in the riverheads of Kofarnion. The southern eastern frontier of the Wildlife Reserve adjoins Karategin Spine. The territory of the reserve has a triangular form. The top of the triangle is focused to the south and is in the place of confluence of Sardaimiona and Sorbo, forming the river Kofarnion. Sorbo's river, forming the eastern frontier of the Wildlife Reserve throughout 15 kilometers, has the general direction of a current with northeast to the southwest. Sardaimiona River, forming the western border throughout 19 kilometers, has the direction of current from the north to the south. Both rivers originate highly in the mountains, on slopes of the Hisor Mountains. The food of both rivers is mixed, glacial and snow. Valleys of the rivers are deeply cut in radical breeds and characterized by big falling of courses. The excellent place for fans is to drive on kayaks. Mountain springs, which are more than 400, from them 54, constantly acting, enter a hydrological network of the wildlife reserve. Springs are generally located in line with lowlands. Thanks to springs, some lowlands are periodically acting. In the period of a dry season, springs serve as a watering place for many animal species. Average annual temperature in Romit is higher than in the well-known Alps. The spring comes here earlier than on all other places of the valley of the Hisor Mountains, and the spring is rough, colorful, and takes delightful velvet season is the first half of October. Only from its look to each person is added life expectancy, and they forget about diseases and troubles. It should be noted that the nature of Romit is located in the Pamir-Alai system, is defined by susceptibility to subtropical area of ancient Mediterranean. The most high temperatures of air are noted in July and August, plus 37, plus 38 degrees Celsius, and the lowest in December, January of 28, minus 30 degrees Celsius. Duration of preservation of snow cover in a year is 98 days. Height of snow cover in February, from February 47 to 56 centimeters. And it is much more than sunny and dry days than in other places of Mountain Asia.
Tajikistan, going in Bustan, Ishtivaran, Aini, Iskandarkul, Dushanbe. It's a really nice country. And today I'm here in Romit. Really nice place, really nice valley. It's a dead end where you can find really nice people on a really nice river.
For the wildlife reserve, as well as for all mountains, local winds, the mountain valley circulation changing the direction of day by the night are typical. These winds are changeable, gusty, and their speed changes in big limits. By the evening, the day wind going up abates and begins the night, blowing down the valley. Flora is the greatest miracle of the nature, our wealth and kingdom of beauty. Flora of Romit differs in wealth and variety. Tourists and fans of untouched mankind of nature are awaited by a surprise. Here it is possible to enjoy the most tasty, environmentally friendly, and even curative berries and fruits, such as the cherry plum, barberry, mulberries, sea buckthorn, hawthorn, and others. Small apple and walnut grows nearly almost everywhere. The early large-scale geographical, zoological, and botanical studies under the direction of A.P. Fichenko belong to 1869-1871. Botanical works were carried out generally by Olga Alexandrovna Fichenko. By her was collected rich Gerber material on the southern spurs of the Hisor Mountains. The soft climate causes growth of different types of subtropical vegetation. The most widespread is arch, the cypress. The acacia, an oleander, a magnolia, and other exotic plants can be met here. From a distance, it seems that the mountain overgrew a bush. Actually, it is glades. And right there, nearby stone breaks and rocks, along streams, forms a dense thickets of grass in height of 2 to 2.5 meters. Lateral slopes are occupied with the most widespread formations in the wildlife reserve, the lithophilous bushes. Forming somewhere difficult, passable thickets, there are some types of cottoneaster and hawthorn. Romit is possible to be called as the Marble Valley or the Valley of Granites. In the geological structure of the southern slope of the Hisor Mountains, the deposits of the lower carbon fabrics and more top horizons of the Paleozoic are presented by slates, limestones, and marble daminate. The fauna of the wildlife reserve of Romit belongs to the East Bukhara Zoogeographical Site, with partial penetration of elements of fauna of the western Tangshan into it. Except a badger, a lynx, a fox, a wolf, a groundhog, and rodents in Romit, still is possible to see a snow leopard, the Siberian goat, boars, but mainly here, and of course, the biggest animal, Tangshan brown bear. The brown bear is the typical inhabitant of the mountain woods of Tajikistan and is also the indicator of the forest ecosystems. The brown bear, which is met in the mountains of Romit, Badakhshan, and the central Tajikistan. Its weight reaches 120 to 170 kilograms. The bear lives at the height up to 4,500 meters. As a part of the wild nature of Tajikistan, the brown bear is the most wild animal. His favorite habitats: the anchovy woods, thickets of the Greek nut, a poplar, a cherry plum, and wild grapes. Bears also eat roots of plants, fruit berries, insects, and also hunt on small rodents and birds. In the summer and in the fall, bears, depending on crop, make seasonal migration, and for the winter lie in hibernation in hard-to-reach spots of the mountain wood. Pairing takes place in June. Pregnancy lasts about 7 months, and in December or in January are born 2 or 3 bear cubs. In the outdoors, the brown bear lives 45 to 50 years. The brown bear seldom or never attacks livestock. It occurs only in that case when the bear doesn't find himself a suitable forage in the wild nature. In most cases, attack of a bear on the person happens because of the person. Destruction of a brown bear will lead to unpredictable consequences. Now about 20 to 25 bears live in the wildlife reserve of Romit, and they need daily protection. Bear life in Romit not always develops safely. The quiet life of a bear is broken by such factors as a cattle pasture, deforestation, and other concerns from the population. The brown bear is considered to be a symbol and pride of the mountain woods of Tajikistan. For the brown bear is dangerous, the snow leopard or pack of wolves. But the most dangerous enemy for a bear is the poacher. The Red List includes 18 types of local mammals and 9 reptiles. The most rare species from them are blind worm, the Central Asian cobra, and viper. The aviofauna includes 134 storks, over 80 species of birds, settled, others are flying and wintering. The white-winged woodpecker is included in the Red List. The person is part of nature. His life is evolutionarily and historically closely connected with the environment. Therefore, in the most critical circumstances, people with big hope wait for help by nature. Therefore, each of us is obliged, regardless of situation and position which he holds in society, as these butterflies and bees, to love this environment. As this bug who accurately puts his pads on the land so the world around didn't suffer from our rash actions. After all, society in which we live in is the inseparable part of the wild nature. If the natural balance through our fault is lost, After the wild nature, mankind will also die. Wildlife Reserve Biosphere of Romit includes the most picturesque valley of the Hisor Mountains. From mountain snowtops of Popok to valleys of the rivers, hot and mineral springs, to monuments of history and the nature, this region is one of the unique places in the world. Romit, with its purest natural spring water, with fresh air, most beautiful landscapes, attracts to itself people who at least once visited this heavenly spot of Asia. Welcome to Romit,